Hi everyone! Be honest, how many times has a zipper shifted on you right at the last second? Today I am showing you a game-changing trick that will save your sanity. Even if the inside is not completely perfect, the front will look like it was done by a total pro. I will be showing this on the front bodice piece. Fold the piece in half, wrong sides together, and give it a good press. This crease is our main guide for the exact center. Draw over that crease with a fabric marker right on the right side of the fabric. Do not worry about the bold line. The steam from your iron will erase it in a split second. Next, we need an extra strip of fabric. I picked a contrasting color so it is super easy for you to see on camera. Cut it 11 centimeters wide and make it 2 to 3 centimeters longer than your zipper. Pro tip: you must fuse this strip with iron-on interfacing. Zippers are heavy, and without this extra support, your fabric will stretch out and get all wavy. Fold this strip in half lengthwise and mark the center line, just like we did before. Place the strip onto your main piece, match up those center lines perfectly, and pin it down tight so nothing slides around. Now sew 2 parallel lines, 5 millimeters away from the center line on each side. This leaves us with a clean 1 centimeter box. Time for the tricky part. Cut straight down the center line, stopping 1 centimeter before the end. Now make sharp diagonal cuts right into the corners. Get as close to the thread as you possibly can. Cut too short and it puckers, cut too far and you get a hole. Turn the strip through to the wrong side to form your frame. Press the edges flat with plenty of steam. Your iron is doing all the heavy lifting here. To lock the bottom in place, fold back the main fabric and sew right across that tiny triangle piece. Here is my personal touch. I like to round off the bottom edge of the facing. It is totally optional, but it gives the inside such a clean look. Finish the raw edge with a serger or a simple zigzag stitch. Position your zipper under the frame, facing wrong side up. Center it carefully. Forget about pins or messy basting stitches. Just grab some paper tape or masking tape and tape the zipper right down to the frame. This holds everything so secure, nothing will budge under the presser foot. Now just stitch along the right side, about 1 millimeter from the edge, sewing straight through the tape. the needle goes through the paper with zero issues. Important note, do not just rip the tape off wildly. Hold down the stitches with your fingers so you do not pull the thread. Peel away the sides first, then gently pop out the center section using a seam ripper. Just look at this finish. The zipper is straight, the frame is perfectly even, with no stretching and no puckering. No tedious hand basting, just quick, easy, and super clean. Definitely give this trick a try on your next project. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Have you ever tried sewing with tape before? See you in the next tutorial.